Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
One of our very wonderful actor, producer, director, and our Miss fine girl looking sexy. I come from that alone. I don't matter how I appreciate you. You're most welcome. And then another girl. One of our greatest actors. S5 captains, no one anyone big. I'm not worried about the official life. Thank you very much. Please put your hands together for one of our guests here today. And it's Viola Davis. And we will go and my friend on WhatsApp, my most welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.